Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about something very important in our life, the value of time. Time is the most precious thing in the world. Money can be earned again. Lost items can be found again. But once time is gone, it never comes back. Every person in this world has the same 24 hours in a day. The difference between successful people and average people is how they use their time. Many students say, I will start tomorrow. Many people say, I have enough time. But tomorrow never comes. And slowly, time passes without us realizing it. Imagine a student who wastes 1 hour every day. In 1 month, he wastes 30 hours. In 1 year, he wastes 365 hours. That is more than 15 full days. Just imagine what he could achieve if he used that time wisely. Time is like a river. It keeps flowing. It never stops for anyone. Whether you are rich or poor, young or old, time moves at the same speed for everyone. Successful people understand this secret. They respect time. They wake up early. They plan their day. They avoid unnecessary distractions. They focus on their goals. On the other hand, people who waste time often feel regret later. They say, I wish I had studied more. Or, I wish I had worked harder. But regret cannot change the past. Time also teaches us discipline. When you use your time properly, you feel confident and organized. You complete your work on time. You reduce stress. You move closer to your dreams. One important lesson about time is this: small minutes matter. Even 30 minutes of daily study can change your future. Even 1 hour of daily practice can improve your skills. Instead of wasting time on useless activities, try to invest your time in learning something new. Read books. Improve your skills. Spend time with family. Exercise for your health. Remember, time is life. When you waste time, you are wasting your life. If you truly want success, start valuing your time today. Do not wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. In the end, always remember this simple sentence. Lost money can be earned again, but lost time is lost forever. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to the channel for more motivational English videos.